Every new update of the SolidWorks portfolio adds exciting new features and functionalities designed to make your workflows more efficient. This is no different with the release of SolidWorks 2025 FD01. One of my favourite new features is the ability to automatically generate 2D drawings directly from a part or an assembly environment. After loading SolidWorks and logging into your 3D Experience account, a new option will be available in the interface called Auto Generate Drawings. This can be found in both the File pull-down menu and the shortcut menus when selecting a part or an assembly. It's very easy to start the process. In this example, we would like to create a drawing of several components from this miter saw assembly. Simply select the parts, holding down Ctrl to multi-select if needed, and choose the Auto Generate Drawing tool. Double check the settings, add additional parts if needed, then press OK. The drawing generation tasks are then displayed in the task pane. You can see the real-time status of the process, and once finished, open the drawing directly. The result is a brand new drawing file that is based on the default template specified in your system settings. 3 orthographic projected views and a trimetric view are created. They form the beginnings of a final detailed production drawing. Additional views and annotations can be added as required to complete the drawing. The drawings can be then saved locally or back into your 3D Experience environment. The new Automatically Generate Drawings feature added in SolidWorks 2025 FD01 allows you to eliminate repetitive tasks associated with creating 2D drawings and spend more time on engineering and design work.